everyone, welcome to this video in my series, my mini series about my explorations in creating and using embroidery inspired ephemera in my artwork. In this video I will show you the pages of my different journals and also some of my zines, and we will see lots of repetitive floral partners ephemera used in the background of my pages. We will also see floral compositions combined with my line work and some of the 3D pieces that I made with effect liner used as embellishment in my journals. So without further ado, let's dive in the pages of my journals and zines. This is my book of flowers, my first book of flowers, and it was with this journal that I really started to explore the embroidery ephemeras in my artwork. So I think that the very first page in which I used embroidery ephemera, a repetitive floral partner, was this one in the chapters about lilies. And this was also my first floral boho page. It was with this page that I started to think about this concept, and then I kept exploring this same concept, always adding a bit or a piece, I would say, of embroidery partner ephemera in the background of my boho pages. Let me see. Yeah, here we have another one in the chapter of dahlias, and then again here, but this time using a floral composition, not a repetitive partner. And here a combination of both. I think this is the Camellia chapter, yes, where I combine repetitive partners and also a floral composition. And I did that also in other journals. For example, on my colored theme journals, let me put this aside. This is my blue journal, and in this journal I intentionally start to explore my embroidery partner ephemera in different ways. You see, I added here one floral composition as a flap. I think it's called a flap or flip, I don't know. I will call it flap. A flap between the pages of the journal, and here a piece in the background of a boho floral page or floral boho page, again as a tab. Oh, sorry, as a flap. What else? Yeah, it was for this. Here a floral composition, again floral composition in this one. I love this one. I think there is a good balance between the embroidery ephemera and then my line work. And here I have a cross stitch inspired piece, another one in this side. I don't know if you can see it, it's very shiny. And here it's almost like the focus of the page, and I like it that also. In the background of this page, also repetitive partner. And what else? Not this one. oh, this was the first time I added one of the effect line pieces, a floral composition here. I think I have another one in this journal. Oh, here's in the background, and then yeah, again another one with made with effect liner. In my green journal, I think I have even more examples to show you. Yes, you can find in the very first page this one, in the background of this one, and then here one more flap. What else? Again in the background. I think this is my favorite one, I guess. And then here in this flap, this time I colored the paper, the tracing paper, before I draw over it. Again here, this is the page that I call it botanical vintage inspired pages. And then what else? Oh, here again a double spread, combine repetitive floral pattern with a floral composition. Yeah, I think this one. And here I have a page that is completely filled with one of my floral compositions, and that's a nice way to embellish and to have pages like almost ready to go in these mini pages. But you can also add some details and some marks to finish them. What I have here, okay, this is a double spread in which I explored some repetitive patterns in the background. And this is I like, well, the good thing about these mini journals is that we don't need much. We can explore like mini pieces, small pieces. So I try to use them in these mini journals. All the scraps that I have from others, from bigger pieces of my embroidery inspired ephemera. What else? Here again in the background, and then okay, a floral composition. And then oh, here we have an example of my the stamps, the stamp of a single flower combined with a floral composition that I drew after. Let me see if I have another mini journal. Yes, this one from Messy May. Here I use it in this background, and then here also this layered composition in the background. And then what else? Again in the background of this spread. And my most recent mini journal from Flowers Magic. Well, I have one floral composition in the front page, and then what else I have? I have also, oh, I started to add these 3D pieces made with effect liner as embellishment pieces in the journal. I think I have another one here. Nope, maybe somewhere. I cannot find it right now. Yeah, Okay, but you get, I think you got the idea on how I have been explored these pieces on my journals, but I also use them on my zines. I love to create zines, and I have a couple of them to show you. These ones, oh, yeah, I do these zines, so let me show you. It's mostly I apply, then I use the scraps of my ephemera, my embroidery inspired ephemera. In the background you can see here this little floral composition, and then a repetitive partner here, and I even made some drawings with effect lined directly over the background in this one. And here, what I have here, oh, I here just added this floral composition, you see. And what else? In this one I have this cross-stitched rose, cross-stitched rose partner in the background. What else? These are the big ones that I create using A3 sheets of paper, A3 size. Oh, and this one I have included in the background this floral composition, you see. And here, what I have here, oh, also another repetitive partner. And finally in this one, oh, sometimes these things are tricky to open. Oh, I have two different repetitive partners in the background, this one and then this one. Can you see it? Let me show you closer. Okay, maybe not. So I have this, so I keep adding these pieces over and over again throughout my pages. This is an element that I really enjoy to explore in my art, and that I think that it's very beautiful, very it reminds me of this boho style, you see, like all these embroidery and lace and crochet elements that sometimes I have not access to vintage pieces. So this was my way to incorporate these elements in an easy way in my artwork, in my explorations. So this was some of the examples that I wanted to show you, so you could have an idea on how I use these elements throughout my pieces. So I hope you have enjoyed that. This give you some ideas, and that you feel inspired to explore the same type of ephemera in your artwork. Hope you have liked the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.